Alright guys, I know what you're thinking. Not, you know, another throttle control video. Like seriously, what more can these companies do? Hikeit's brought out interchangeable faces, and you know, then iDrive did too, and these guys brought out Takeover, and then iDrive brought out easier installation. Like, no one's actually improving on the experience. Or are they? Hikeit XS. The newest generation in throttle controller. The throttle curve does seem a little bit different to the old ones. Like, that's their new one, and we'll go into that a bit later. But from initial reactions, like, that's their old one. That's the old Hikeit X9. This should be the top of their range. I've only got the old Ultimate 9 throttle controller from iDrive, but nothing's changed on that as well. So why would we go from something that is like this big to this ginormous sucker? Looks pretty damn good, but so let's open this box, huh? It's been a long time coming since there's been some kind of innovation in the throttle control market. Didn't really think there's much you could do with it, because really it's just a throttle control. It makes it more responsive or less responsive. Like, literally, what is there that can be done in the market for throttle controllers? Like, what? Companies have tried changing face colors, changing dials, making more settings, parks, overtakes, whatever. But there is something different in this one. Run the steel. Run the street. There's got to be a thumbnail in there somewhere. I don't know, whatever. Would you have clicked on that? Is that the one you clicked on? Who knows? Okay, so the Hikeit XS. Now this is their premium model. It comes in plastic, unlike the other ones. So I don't know how they think that is a selling feature, but it does actually look pretty damn mint. It's got a dial. That's something that none of them have. It's got obviously the same old, what does it have? Believe it or not, this is your complete solution for eliminating accelerator lag. Pretty sure they all do that. It allows for 10-stage customization within each of the 4 driving modes. Don't they all have that? Also introduces Auto IQ mode, which will intelligently switch between 4 modes and 40 customization settings. That's pretty familiar. With the Hikeit XS, you'll experience faster throttle response, smoother acceleration with both automatic and manual transmissions, improved towing, power, and simple DIY installation. Now, unless you've never installed a throttle controller, that would make a lot of attractive sense. But if you're trying to choose between a throttle controller on the current market, I mean, what's going to make this stand out? Okay, what else is in this box? Let's find out. The other one. Alright, so that's the pedal. Control box. Of course, you've got your standard lifetime warranty. You ready? Cool, that was a good read. Got your mounting bracket. 3M. Standard instructions.